Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 24th of November, 2022. Let's talk about Microsoft real quick. You guys can see I did the price index in Microsoft on October the 28th. Let me zoom in on the price chart real quick. You guys can see price came down and held support on our trend line. Okay, that's something that we talked about on the video back in October. So hopefully y'all came through and grabbed some of the profitability right here. I would say maybe the beginning of November, 5.8%. Real good call. You guys can see that this would be an opportunity to come in and buy Microsoft on these 2 days right here, November 3rd, November the 4th. Because if you would have did that, once you saw the buyers come in the market here in Microsoft, you would be up right now around 11.75%. Now, I really wanted to come in and talk about the market in Microsoft because check this out. Okay, check this out. Right up here is where the market is anticipated to get hit with selling. We are approaching that area right now. So this is where we need to kind of be on guard, because if the buyers are still running the market in Microsoft, then they will break this resistance area 250. That is where I've already had positioned my prediction right there. We're knocking on the door right now. So let's talk. Okay. So when you look at these days right here, when you look at these trading days in Microsoft right here, what does this mean to you? What does it mean? Is it bullish or is it bearish? Who's controlling the market right now in Microsoft on these trading days? Is it the buyers or is it the sellers? I'm gonna show you who's controlling it, because it's the buyers. For one, as price in Microsoft has been trading in this area, price hasn't really seen any weakness bars, right? There's been a couple of days to where the market sold, but the next day price came back up, right? So look at this. So let's say sellers came into the market on the 21st of November, but then the 22nd price closed higher. Okay, look at this. I would say from November the 16th into the trading day on November the 17th, the market on the 17th opened all the way down here at $237.78, but it ended towards the high of the bar. This tells me that buyers are controlling the market in Microsoft as of right now, which is why I'm telling you that they need to break 250 to the upside though. So if anything, I can see market run up to 250. So let's say, so another 1.25%. I can see that, but take a look. This is where it's at. So we need to think on probabilities. Okay. We now, for one, we know that buyers are here. Buyers are controlling the yard of Microsoft. We're trying to think, what are the probabilities of us seeing buyers break 250 to the upside? Okay. Because if they're able to break 250 to the upside, then the market in Microsoft is going to continue to go higher. That's it. This is the hurdle that the buyers need to take out right here. So let's look at this on the 2-day chart first. Okay, so I'm gonna keep it real. So from a 2-day chart, how do you think the market looks here? Does it look like the buyers are controlling the market or not? To me, it looked like the buyers are still here. Okay, look at this on the 3-day. What do you think about the 3-day? Do you think the market is controlled here? Yes, I do. So the longer in time we go out, the further the chances of us seeing price in Microsoft go higher. So if we're looking from a 3-day perspective, right? And our first hurdle is 250, but from a 3-day chart, do you think the market can run at 255? See, I'm showing you all price targets. Look at this on the 5-day. Okay, what do you think? Weekly chart. I think this Friday, okay, is going to be abbreviated trading hours. The market's not going to be open for a full day. I think the market's going to try to run up on that first half of Friday, and then next week, after the holidays, that is where the test is going to be made for the stock market, because we already saw these prices run. Next week is going to be the time to where we get that confirmation that they're still running the yard. I'm not talking about the buyers, the ones who's trying to push this price higher. The test that they're going to have to do is going to occur next week. Okay. So looking at this on a weekly chart, look at this spread here. Okay. So I still think that Microsoft is still eyeing to go higher. Now I just want us to be prepared though for some resistance. So let me give you 3 price targets right now. 250, okay, 254, 255. That's the second one. So let's just say 255, and then third is going to be up here at 260. That's it. So swinging this back over to the daily chart, we're going to drop the price prediction and do those 3 price targets. First one is 250. It's not going to be a lot. This is where I really want the market to show me that they're looking to allow price to continue to ride higher. So that at least give us 1% out the play. Take off a little bit off the table, 1%, cool, we're happy, because we understood from out the gate that that could be a resistance area. The next one is 255. So the market may just have enough gas to run price at 255 and come right back down. Again, that's my second price target. Skim off some more profit there, you'd be cool. And then my third one is around 260. Okay, that's only 5%. Now, hey, the market volatility really doesn't occur too much in Microsoft. So I'm looking for the price action in Microsoft to be like this, right? You're not going to get like a massive spike up there in one day to like 260. But this is where I'm at. Okay, so give me your thoughts. I want to know, what do you guys think about the market action in Microsoft? Do you think that price is going to continue to trend higher or not? So leave me a comment. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different. Let me extend this over.